ziko vizuri. Ndugu yangu Bwana Omari, asante sana kwa gesture mzuri ambao umejitolea. Salimia watu wa Kiamokama.
Abaminto wa Kiamokama tiganu kwa no munu yuri tangani mayo kwa neke eluge. Bia mole mwenzi. Njengoro kwa wakili Dansan Omari, uyo mugaka seito Nyamira West Mugirango. Wakili ndi Nairobi na ende asengicho ya bete. Ngatiga ko wakili nkaibo bororo no muiburi. Ye karona ibo bororo no muiburi. Kinyaroche na beire Nyamira na lingi. Kidogo abana ba Minto kurwa Mboseli akonga kiresimina ya beriga. Kawatebi I'll be Nairobi on Monday. Mbwati ya manganai. So Monday toka gende koti. Konyoro babwati rumo muro iyo. Serikali toka kolega asina wa DCI na Director of Public Prosecution. Bagasaba amatuko 21. Elinde abere ime bakoro chunguzi. Tukaba koti Kibera, tukamera ni nabo wakili baye koti kanjera na amanganaito umumuru yagaba kusikira matuko 21 kwa amua kusengo soero wali kustari soero minority registered Palibara Amboseli wali statement. Palibara Inge University wali statement. Eye ntonko ba kikishira minto mwensipi. Tenena negesa kwa ekeregesa kwa etakeire etage umundata getekuge sukuma enchirembi. Omwana oli no mwana osomere tabakomo. Omwana oli no mwana okiniro obutako bubibo nakire paka nyumba mwangina naroriro obororo bari bonse bibara ya piliane ya justice yo mwana Sylvia Nichenkore wana mbara ali babiri ngari abana bali babiri ngere kibarongo kiribere cyare di chuko cyane kibarongo cyo abana baba gocha gukinirwa amaremo nero roja kwasomi abakanire fees bakini igono retorama ebirerebi tubeke birengeri na banambara nangina bono obwat mama nchukoje obwate birengeri byo koregasi amakweli aye birengeri byaye bakabike tago chikotwara nguru nyinge kyo korengereri na kokore biasara elinda somi abanaba igo nakina kwane romungo yina torengereri na toko eniori ntotikarete no musigo munene mono twekaranze bunaba wakiri wagusi tokatebana ntorengereri bunaba wakiri tokoro muchango elinde tusukuma abana kiagera abana ubao chikawaba wakiri mambi bagotetea ikinyoro igono retora apili ya nerenene uchiasa abantu baminto nena torigererie chibuhije ibere ntuwate mwana itoitire lakini ntuwate balibona bali moyo bago chikotorigereri obokendo bwo chikotigara nyomba mwa umongena abana aba na kibago chisku. Wacha nielezee kwa yale ambayo sasa kila mtu aweze kuelewa yale nimesema ni kwamba this is the first time in the history of universities where a daughter who is staying in the university hostel is murdered within an institution. That is a question that will still be pushing very hard to know exactly what happened. A brief fact of what happened is that the girl had reported of several harassment from this boy. There was no love relationship between the deceased and the murderer at all. Bosani Mbwarengo, the boy wanted our daughter. The daughter had no time because she knew where she came from. She knew the poverty. She knew that the focus is at university. She reported severally to the university administration. Her iron box was taken at one time by this boy. The case was done by the university administration, and I'm appealing to the university administration to take notice that these parents, all of them here, have sent their kids to you and you become parents. Out of the constant harassment, our daughter moved to stay with the mother. She only went back because exams were starting. The day she met her death, it was a very sad occasion. The stranger walked in, and from the evidence of the doctor, she was badly murdered. Issues that I want to place to the world is this. The deceased was strangled, murdered, put in a suitcase box. This is during the day. That suitcase box is in a hostel of a women's hostel. Carried from the women's hostel to the boys' hostel. Hostel of the boys, there are at least more than 2 other boys. Those are 3. This body carried in a box is put as a pillow. Then the boy removes the dead body, puts it on a bed, puts a cover, blanket, the other boys, the other students coming. Nobody raises an issue that here lies something that looks like a human being, not moving, not talking. People move from there, they leave that body there. The killer comes back, puts the body back to the back, carries this bag to at a certain time, moves up the stairs to a floor up, then gets on top of a ladder in Ngasi, climbs the ladder. This is a weight of around 55 to 60 kilograms of a human being plus the bag. He carries it to the top, throws it down to where the water tanks are. You want to convince everybody, can that thing be done by one person? Is it possible that a human being, an adult of over 20 years, can fit in a box? Quite telling. There were others involved in the execution of our late daughter. We have expanded the investigation. I've been working daily with the Director of Criminal Investigation, Homicide. Several people must have a one-off affair. There was a plan about it. And everybody, we shall pursue this matter to get the justice ceased. We shall pursue this matter not only for this one, to protect the girl child. We shall protect and pursue this matter to ensure every daughter of us is safe. When we did the postmortem, and I want this to be very, very clear, before the postmortem was done, there was a lot of stories on social media that Sylvia was pregnant and she was trying to abort. When postmortem was done, there was a government doctor called Dr. Joanna Zodwar, chief government pathologist. I hired a doctor pathologist, Dr. Maturi, plus Dr. Catherine, university lecturer. Dr. Catherine came for the postmortem. 4 issues were clarified by the postmortem. 1, our daughter was not pregnant. So that is settled by a postmortem report. And that story should end from today, that she was intending or she tried to abort. 2, the second narrative was that she drowned by committing suicide. She jumped into the tank. The postmortem report is clear. There was no water in the body, in the intestines, in the stomach, and that theory of drowning was completely shattered. So she never drowned. The doctors found the cause of death, that it was strangulation, so she was strangled. That is the cause of death. And the final finding of the doctors is that as she was attacked, there was commotion. There were some injuries, physical injuries over this area and this area, showing a resistance. Very hard questions. If there was a struggle, what happened? Were people not, are there not eyewitnesses or ear witnesses so that? Donatebe, Awanyagitari, Karawapi, Metomobere, Baigore Tomobera was present. Mwana, Oriosiri Tari, Taringe Morito, Igotari Buritari Korus. Kabere, Ekarawapi, Metomobere, Banyore Timachenda, Awatevano Montori, Nanueta Mache, or drown. You got a concept in Anueta Macha, Macha Yakamuita. It's not true. Atato, abanyagitari bagateba namba nyorete chinjari kyo asomobile, which means she tried to resist Korwana. She was overpowered. The cause of death igangente tu abwatwe mioyo. Then there are some bonds kibunirega, and therefore the doctors confirm na omwana origa itetu, and that definitely will be a case of murder. Kwa niaba ya wakili bonzi, we want to assure the community that we will defend justice, we will follow to get justice for the late at no cost. Ondeta chiko changi bantono nechibesa kuchiwakana abo wakili. Ondeta chiko changa na nechibesa chomunyagetari yokorete postmortem. My law firm paid for that doctor. No mongina, mubanga no mwana. Thank you very much, and allow me, please, Monyanjiri, not to be here for long. I have another funeral across. A brother to Nyakiongora engineer is being buried today. I'm also part of that family. Na ending and they say to West Mugrango. Kwa niaba yo Mochumbo West Mugrango, Steve Mogaka, my brother. Oyonkoro Nyumanero Mochumbo West Mugrango, natuma pole yaye, na endo tumire pole to this family, because out of this tragedy, we now are part and parcel of this family. Monyanjiri aki inkurwa ngende onyakiangora na warabumba ngora. Asante sana.
Takwane tia mangana tuale chakobolia. Okoli romo gano kora cha ekiora kole na masabo. Morai mogen. Ndocho ni mogete multimedia asumana lengo soma. Bogentari kuyita eka. Muwe tayari. Muwe tayari tafadhali.
Biamono. Wakili biamono asikuru moganore very clear. Maswali na rayo abantu wako bolinga kiabete wa clarify and wa kwana on behalf of your family gokero mondo manyire nga kiagareta Silvia Gasira tari masirichi arenga kunya ukwanu social media na abantu banda bakwana mangana tayo biamono sana mu wakili asega asingie kwa kodre kwa niaba ya family tigangeli bagere ko irani ngambi biamono aso kuwero gutenda ne family asibyo sikuwa kodre nyasaga go sena soko genda usiseni wa mwakili biamono. Wakati huu nataka kuchukua nafasi kualika wale komiti ambao tumefanya kazi nao.